In this video, I'll show you how to enable this edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first, just open up your settings app. From here, scroll down a bit, then go to display option. After that, scroll down again and then go to edge panel. So just tap here to enable it and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now just tap on panels option. From here, you can add or remove any item from your edge panel. You can see weather, clipboard, reminder, apps, people, tools, music, and you can add any kind of tools as you want. You have to just select it. Now if you go back, if you want to customize your position, just tap on handle. From here you can customize your edge panel. At first, just select position. You can choose left or right and then lock your handle position, and from here you can change color and you can see transparency and size option. You can also change your width from here, and that's it. And that is how you can enable edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.